All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here is the outdoor kitchen we've been working on. So there was nothing here before. We took a hand railing. Actually, there was a handrail right around here. We took the handrail, installed this, they call it Georgetown Cave, and then did the brown Lueders on top. Installed the grill and then a sink. So we'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like here in a second. So here's the grill. This is a pretty nice grill, all stainless steel. And then we got the sink here too. I turned it on, but we just got that caulking around there and caulking there as well. We did another outlet for charging phones and margaritas and all that good stuff. And then pulled this guy out, this outlet here. And then it'll all be cubby just like that there. This will be a trash can. So far so good. Everything's been looking good. Looks really great. Very good.